Hello students, in last class we were discussed about what is a simple equation. In that few how to solve the simple equations by transposing method, different types of the equations of simple equations of solving we learn. Now we are moving to the applications of simple equations. Applications of simple equations. It means practical problems. These are the practical problems. Okay. Applications on simple equations. In that one, different types are there. First type one is based on numbers. Here, applications of simple equations. Applications of simple equations. In that one, first one is a based on numbers. Based on numbers means in these applications of simple equations, they'll give the data in a word form, means verbal form they'll give. You need to make that verbal form into a standard simple equation statement, standard form, and then we solve. And then we solve the problems. Is it clear? So, simple equation. What is a simple equation? A linear equation with one variable is called as a simple equation. A simple equation has a unique solution. No more solutions. Only one solution you will get. So, how to solve those simple equation problems we learned in previous videos. Now here we are going to learn about the applications of simple equations. Applications of simple equations. Applications of simple equations here. In that one, different types are there. Based on numbers, based on ages, based on geometrical figures, all those one. First type is based on numbers I am going to discuss here. Based on numbers I am going to discuss. Example, first one is here. If a number is exceeded by 7, then the result is 44. Find the number. Simple example I am taking here. If a number exceeds by 7, then the result is 48. Find the number. Simple example I am taking. After that I will go to your exercise models. So here solution. If a number exceeds by 7, then the result is 48. Find the number. So here in this one I don't know what number it is. I have to find out that number. Again, exceeds means increased, more, increased. Okay, decreased, reduced means subtract. Exceeds means you have to add. So let us suppose let the number is equal to x. Let the number equal to x. And according to problem, number exceeds means this number is increased by how much? 7. Then the result is equal to 48. Result is equal to 48. Now x is equal to, now I got in a statement form. Now I got in a equation in the standard form I got. Now I am going to solve this simple equation. Now 7 plus 7 is in a transpose this one. X is equal to 48 minus 7. X is equal to 48 minus 7 is 41. 41 is the number which is exceeded by 7. The result becomes as a 48. Therefore, required number is equal to 41. Please note down. Next question. If a number reduced by 3, then its result is 15. Then find the number reduced now. All modals I am covering. I am starting with a exceeded, next reduced, next multiplied, next divided. All those after that one I'll take the combinations. So if a number is reduced by 5, then the result becomes 16. Find the number. Find the number in verbal form. Not only x value. Sometimes they may ask the particular question. That only you need to find out. Find the exceeded number or find the number. Find the reduced number. Like that they may ask. So read question carefully here. If a number is reduced by 5, then the result becomes 16. Find the number. Let us assume that let the number is x. Now according to problem, this number is reduced by 5, means minus 5 is equal to result becomes 16. Result becomes 16. Now x is equal to, now I got a standard form. Transpose this one. 16 plus 5. X is equal to 16 plus 5, 21. So therefore the number is equal to, the required number is equal to 21. Sorry. 16 plus 21. Okay. Resultant number is equal to, required number is 21. Please note down. In case any doubts are there, let me know that. Is it completed? Okay, next. A number is multiplied by 7. Result is 21. Find the number. Simple examples I am taking. I will take later combinations. If a number is multiplied by 7, then the result is 21. Find the number. Find the number. See, let us suppose a number is number is equal to x. Let the number is equal to x. Now as per the problem, means according to problem, this number is multiplied by 7, means 7 into x is equal to, result becomes as a 21. Result becomes as a 21. This is not 7x into x. 7 into x means either you write in bracket also. No issue right. 7 into x is 7x is equal to 21. Then when you multiply the value transpose to other side, what it becomes? It comes under the denominator. So x is equal to 21 by 7. 7 1 is 7 3 is. X is equal to 3. Therefore, required number is equal to 3. Required number is 3. Please write down. Next question. Addition completed, subtraction completed, multiplication completed. Now division. If a number is divided by 11, then the result is 5. Find the number. If a number is multiplied by 11, then the result is 5. Then the result becomes not multiplied, divided by. Multiplied completed now. If a number is divided by 11, then its quotient is instead of that quotient, then the result is write down. Then its result becomes 5. Find the number. Now see. If a number is divided by 11, then its result becomes 5. Find the number. Let us suppose let the number is equal to x. Let the number equal to x. Now according to problem, this number is x is divided by 11, then result becomes 5. Transpose values. X is equal to 5 into 11. Denominator value when you transpose the other side into it is. X is equal to 55. Therefore, required number is 55. Please write down. Now I will take the combinations. These are all addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. All types completed. Now combine together I will take. A number If 7 is added to twice the number, then the result is 47. Find the number. If 7 is added to twice the number, then the result becomes 41. Find the number. Find the number. Simple examples only I am taking. Simple to complex. Now see here, 7 is added to twice the number, then the result becomes 41. First of all, I don't know what is the number, and twice the number also I don't know. We have to add 7 to the twice of the number. So first of all, I am going to find out that the number and twice the number. Let us assume that let the number is equal to x. Let the number is equal to x. Twice the number means 2 times. Twice the number is nothing but 2 times. Twice the number is equal to, next problem onwards I don't write like this is individual steps. Direct according to problem I'll form the equation. Twice the number is equal to 2 into x. 2 into x. Next problem onwards individual steps I don't write. I'll write the after the numbers condition I'll take directly. Twice the number is equal to 2x. Now according to problem, we have to add 7 to this twice the number. Means this twice the number is added by 7. If 7 is added to twice the number, then the result becomes 41. That is equal to 41. Now transpose 1 by 1 values here. Now I got a standard equation form. 2x is equal to 41 minus 7. 2x is equal to 41 minus 7. Now 2x is equal to 41 minus 7 is 34. Now 2 ones, 2 17s are 34. Because into no, x is equal to 70. Therefore, required number is equal to 70. Required number is equal to 70. Please try to understand. If 7 is added to twice the number, first of all I don't know number and as well as twice the number also. First time I suppose x as a number, twice the number is equal to 2x. According to problem, this 2x is added by 7. Result is 41. 2x is equal to 41 minus 7. 2x is equal to 34. 2 ones are 2 17s are. X is equal to 17. Required number is 17. Please write down. Okay. Now next question. Next I'll go with your textual problems. Find the three consecutive integers whose sum is 24. Whose sum is 24. Whose sum is 24. Find the three consecutive integers. Before I start the consecutive integers, whatever it is, first consecutive numbers means continuous numbers, successive numbers, three successive numbers. If let us assume that 7 is the one number, other number is 8, 9. Let us suppose 10 is the one number, second number is the 12, 11, next 13, 12, sorry, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 17, 18, 19, 19, 20, 21, like that consecutive numbers. Okay, this is consecutive numbers, continuous numbers. In case odd numbers if they mention, there we have to take odd number form, general form of the odd, or general form of the even numbers. If they ask even numbers, even number form will take. Okay, so find three consecutive numbers whose sum is sum 21. Sum 21. Whatever it is, 21, 17, whatever it is, that. Okay. So find those numbers means you need to find out the numbers, not x here, not x. Find three consecutive numbers whose sum is 27. Whose sum is 27. Find three consecutive numbers whose sum is consecutive integers today. Consecutive integers today. Positive integers again because result is positive here. Okay, consecutive positive integers. I am making some changes. Positive integers whose sum is 27. See here, consecutive integer just now I said 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5 means continuous numbers. Continuous number means 2 after next number is 3. Means that next number is increased by 2 is the first number. Next number is obtained by adding 1 to the previous number. Again other number is every number is increased by 1 to the previous number. Every number is increased by 1 to its previous numbers. So that means let us assume that three consecutive positive integers are three consecutive positive integers are x is the first I suppose. Then another number is x plus 1 increase. The another number is x plus 1 plus 1 means together we can write as x plus 2. X plus 2 continuous numbers. Three consecutive integers means x plus 1, x plus 1 plus 1 means x plus 2. Okay. Let three consecutive positive integers are x plus 1, x plus 2. X plus 1, x plus 2. Now what they said here, whose sum is 27? Sum of now according to sum means addition. According to problem or given statement. Okay, according to problem, sum of these three numbers is x plus 1 plus x plus 2. Sum of these three is equal to 27. 27. Okay, 27. Now x plus x, 2x plus x, 3x. Already you got how to add the variables and algebraic expressions. Like terms 3x plus 1 plus 2 3 is equal to 27. Is equal to 27. Now 3x is equal to 27 minus 3. 3x is equal to 27 equal to 24. 3 ones, 3 eights. X is equal to 8. But it is not. This is not your result. Previous questions X only final result. But here this is not your final result. Final result we need to find out this one. So therefore 3 consecutive integers are consecutive positive integers. Positive integers are x is equal to 8, x plus 1 is equal to 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, x plus 2 is equal to 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. These are the 3 consecutive positive integers. 8 plus 9, 17 plus 10, 27. Am I clear? Please write down. See here, find the 3 consecutive positive integers whose sum is 27. Let the 3 consecutive positive integers are x, x plus 1, x plus 2. X, x plus 1, x plus 2. Now according to problem, sum of these 3 terms is equal to 27. Add these 3 terms, the result is 27. X plus x, 2x plus x, 3x, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 is equal to 27. 3x is equal to 27 minus 3. 3x is equal to 24. 3 ones, 3x. X is the 8. But it is not, this is not your final answer. Final answer you need to find out all the 3 consecutive numbers. 3 consecutive positive integers are x is equal to 8, x plus 1 is 8 plus 1 is 9, x plus 2 is equal to 8 plus 2 is 10. Am I clear? Okay. In this topic, wherever I use the consecutive integers, consecutive odd numbers, all are positives only. All positives only. If in case negative is there, we will mention it is negative integers or else sometimes plus or minus. 2 cases possibilities will get. In that case, we will see that. Okay, that particular question will come now. At that time, we will see. Generally, plus or minus comes under a quadratic equations will get. But here, all are most probably positive integers only we have to take. Integers means consecutive integers means. Next question. Find 3 consecutive odd integers. Consecutive odd numbers. Odd numbers whose sum is 45. Find 3 consecutive odd numbers whose sum is 45. The general form of the odd number is 2x plus 1. Don't take x plus 1 and x plus 3 like that. Because we are not sure that in negative integers, whenever integers comes there, no, there you may have negative numbers when you apply. Sometimes answer will be same, but proceed with the general form of the numbers, general form of the odd number, general form of the even numbers only you select, so that you will get exact answer, no, without any variations. Okay, it's my personal advice. Okay, find the 3 consecutive odd number, general odd number form only you take. Let odd number form is odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. These are the odd numbers. Even numbers is 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the even numbers. General form of the odd numbers is 2x plus 1. Even numbers is 2x. Remember this one. Even number form is 2x. Odd number form is 2x plus 1. Let us suppose 3 consecutive odd numbers are 3 consecutive every odd number is increased by 2, not 1. If you add 1 to the odd number, you will get the next number, even number you will get. Example is 3 is the first odd number. If I add 1, I get a 4, even number it is. If you add 2 to this even odd number, you will get a 5, next odd number you will get. Because odd number is alternate numbers. Odd number after even number after odd number after even number after odd number. Alternate, two places will, alternate places will get. So next odd number is 2x plus 2 means 3 here. 1 plus 2, 3. Next odd number is 2x plus 3 plus 2 is 5. These are the 3 odd numbers. Okay. In case if you take x plus 1, x plus 3 and x plus 5 also, you will get the same answer only. Need not to worry. But I am going with the general form. 3 consecutive odd numbers are x plus 1, 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 5. 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 5. Now, according to problem, sum of these 3 odd numbers is 2x plus 1, because they are all positive numbers, only directly can add it. 2x plus 3, this is one odd number, this second odd number, this is third odd number. 2x plus 5 is equal to, result is 45. Result is 45. 3 consecutive odd numbers are supposed as 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 5. Now according to problem, sum of these 3 numbers is 45. These 3 numbers. So added. So add them here. 2x plus 1 plus 2x plus 3. Open the brackets. 2x plus 5 is equal to 45. 2x, 6x. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 9 is equal to 45. Is equal to 45. Now 6x is equal to 45 minus 9. 45 minus 9. Now what do you get here? 45 minus 9 is 6x is equal to 36. 6 1 6 6 x is equal to 6. Sir, you got an even number, no sir. This is not my number, not my required number. My required number is when you substitute this x in these numbers, you will get. Okay, this is not my required number. Keep it in mind. Okay, so find 3 consecutive. Therefore, required numbers are first 2x plus 1 means 2 6 are 12 plus 1 13. 2x plus 2 into 6 plus 2. God was process first multiplication, after that addition. 2 6 are 12 plus 2. Sorry, 2x plus 3 is 2x plus 3 notice. Now 12 plus 3 15. Next number is 2x plus 5. 2 into 6 plus 5. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 5 17. Okay. 13. After 14 is even number. Next 15 is odd number. After 16 is even number. And 17 is the odd number. These 3 I select. I have to select. Okay. Once again, 3 consecutive odd numbers are. These are the 3 consecutive odd numbers. Now according to problem, sum of these 3 numbers is 45. I added them. 2x plus 9 is equal to, 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 5 is equal to 45. 6x plus 9 is equal to 45. 6x is equal to 45 minus 9. 6x is equal to 36. X is equal to 36 by 6. 6 is 36. Now required odd numbers are, this x is not your result. Your result is when you substitute this one in your assumption numbers, they will get the final answer. 13, 15, 17 are the required odd numbers. Please make sure write down this one. Few more application problems we will discuss in the next video. Thank you. Make sure this is right in classworks. In case any doubts are there, please text me.